Galatee Burqaa going home with a silver medal from the 10,000 meters here. Galatee, the delight is written in your face. You are very happy today.
Yeah, of course, more than I am happy, maybe I am get gold because in Ethiopian athlete in many, Tulu from Turunesh Dibama, everybody is gold medalist for 10K. You know, today I will be to share that victory, but I didn't share. I am sad, but I am get silver medalist. I am happy for us.
This has been a fantastic year for you. 29 years old and you are still setting your personal records.
Yeah, of course, but you know, I am staying the mid distance in many years, but I'm hope for next year I am getting better for long distance. Yeah.
All the experience you have of competing at such high level, did they help you today in the 10,000 meters?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Well, how did describe for us the race and how you felt in it?
You know, but here is warm now, and Addis is cold, of course. But I am feeling like that Addis is cold and here is warm. Yeah, that is difference. But I am tension already. But in race, I am very so happy. It's impossible.
Fantastic. Congratulations.
Yeah,
Well
thank
done.
you so much.